Welcome to Grumpy John's Garage, 2015 Vauxhall Mokka. What I'll do, I'll put a picture up just to let you see what the damage was on the car. It was just light. I've bought it, damage repairable from Copart. I was going to do a strip and repair of it, but I took it in yesterday when it was absolutely bucketing down with rain. I couldn't hear myself, so I couldn't record. This is the mount here that goes on to the front panel here. Just in there. See, the bonnet's not even damaged. The bumper is. It's got a wee scuff on it. The bottom suspension arm is bent. Bottom suspension arm's a wee bit bent. But nothing else. Nothing else in the suspension. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a strut on it anyway. My brother, he's going to do all of the mechanics for me. So I put a strut, a bottom arm. I've got a new wing for it. A wee bit of damage on the door there, right along the bottom, but very light. I've got a second-hand door mirror coming, and a wee scuff there. But as you can see, it's been painted before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the whole side. I'll get the new wing, paint that, and then I'll fit it, and then I'll paint the whole side. Repair the bottom of the door first, but that's quite light. You can just see slightly dented in, but most of that will pop out. That's flattened off a wee bitty. That'll be easy enough. It's a 2015 car, but it's beautiful inside. Full leather. It's got electric seats, it's got heated seats and heated steering wheel. That's going to be so nice during the winter. Oh. Yeah. Beautiful. The last owner took really good care of it. As you can see, the back end is really good. I'll put a tow bar on it. Let me show you under the bonnet. Here's under the bonnet. Look how clean that is. Wee bit of dust from the Copart yard, but other than that, it's in really good condition. The last owner definitely liked his car.